Hey everyone, this is Dr. Lowell Sala and together with Greg, Song, and Rishabh are submitting Pixieland as our entry for this hackathon. The problem right now, especially in the play-to-earn gaming in the Web3 space, is lack of cross-functionality. Gamers, for example, like to trade, buy, and sell assets. There's also lack of fungibility. There's no incentive for developers and players. This is where Pixieland comes in. Pixieland empowers gamers using a play-to-earn model with a cross-chain marketplace functionality. Now, in terms of market size, the total market cap of GameFi has climbed to about $55.3 billion as of February 2022. And this market is actually estimated to grow to about 50 billion by 2025. And now for our product presentation. And now for our product presentation, I'd like to mention that we are actually live at https pixieland.netlify.app. So we can see here, there's Pixieland, there's home, there's a bridge, which we haven't added. We also have a marketplace and we have a game. So welcome to Pixieland, where you are able to explore, trade, and play to earn cross-chain digital assets. So explore Pixieland and where you can buy, sell in our decentralized marketplace across different chains. So the first thing that you're going to do is, of course, connect with your MetaMask. So right now, this is my MetaMask. My name is Hacker. Hello, by the way, I'm Hacker. And then I will just click next. So once I'm connected, I will be logged into my wallet. I can now go to my marketplace. And with this marketplace, I have the option to purchase two type of pixies right now. We only have two for this project, but later on we'll add more. So once I buy Aurora, which is the red one, I can go immediately to the game. And with the game, as you can see, we are currently in the metaversal world. So once we log into the game, we can view Pixieland, a metaversal world which is populated by pixies. And later on, we can add castles inside here. As you also notice, we have the ability to view all these different pixies. And there's also, as you can see here, pixies that are able to actually fly. And then we can click to one of the AI generated images here. So in creating this AI generated images, we actually use stable diffusion for these images, which are a byproduct of DALL-E, another generative adversarial network project. Now, once we click in one of the portraits, as you can clearly see here, we will immediately be sent to the game where my Pixie Aurora is able to shoot light beams. So this is the different light beams. You can also see that there's pixie dust in her. If you can clearly see that, it's not very clear, but see, there's pixie dust. So she's also shedding some pixie dust. And if you want to learn more, don't forget to follow our project. And thank you once again to the organizers of this hackathon and the entire team, especially Greg, who made the game. So feel free to connect and do visit Pixieland. Visit www.pixieland.netlify.app. Thank you so much and have a great day.